Namaste children. In this class we are going to learn about internet. So do you all love internet, right? So through internet only you can able to see this video. You can able to listen the class also. So internet. In this session we are going to learn about internet. What is internet? Internet is a very large network of computers. So very large network of computers is called as internet. It is not a single computer. It connects many computers. Millions of computers are interconnected all over the world through the internet. That means many computers are connected to each other through the internet. Through internet, millions of computers are interconnected. That is known as internet. See here. So through internet many systems are connected. Okay, it forms a network. Here we are going to learn some internet terms. World Wide Web, shortly known as WWW. World Wide Web. It was developed by Tim Berners-Lee in 1989. It has the largest collection of information on the internet. So World Wide Web, it is the largest collection of information. In the internet, it contains largest collection of information. WWW contains millions of websites that provide information. So in internet it contains many information. For example, it is like a school library. Let us take our school library. So if we go to our library, we can get many books related to many subject. You can learn the basics of English, advanced level of mathematics. In computer science we can learn programming and also Excel, Windows. So we can learn various things. We can learn everything in our library. We can get many things, many information in our library. So in library we can get the information from where? From each book. From each book we can get separate information. So as the same here also, World Wide Web is like a library. Okay, so website is it's like a book in a library. Website is a collection of related pages that provide information about many things, such as about a person, education, games, studies, sports, etc. For example, book. Let us take our library example itself. In a library we can get many books. We can get many books related to mathematics, computer science, grammar, Tamil, etc. So if we want if I want to learn a particular topic in computer science, so which book I will prefer? A computer science book. So website it's like a website it's like a book in a library. So a website in a internet. Okay, can you get me children? So in internet a website is it's like a book that contains pages related information. So website is like a book in a library. So let us take computer science book. It contains only the information that is related to computer science. It should not it won't contain information which is related to either mathematics or English. So it contains only information that is related to that topic, which is computer science. So website, it's like a book. Please try to remember this thing, children. Website, it's like a book. So here example, this is our school website where you can see many information about our school. So here this is the website of our school. Web page, it's a part of a website. It is stored in electronic form on a computer connected to the internet. So web page, it's like a single page in a book. Okay, so website is a book, internet is a library, website, it's like a book, and web page is a single page in that book. For example, we have seen what book we have taken as an example, computer science book. So in computer science book we have many topics. So one of the topic is C programming. So C programming is a web page. Okay, it also contain information related to only C programming. In the chapter of C programming you can able to learn only about C programming. There you can't able to learn about Excel. Yes, isn't it? So in a particular page you can learn about a particular topic. So as the same, a web page, it is a stored information, electronic form of a computer which has the information only related to that page. So here in our school website, it's like a book. In a book, see here we are now seeing the gallery of our school. Gallery means photos. So gallery is a web page. So our school website is a book where gallery is one of the page in our website. Okay. Home page. Every website has a main page. This is the first page which appears when you open a website. This page is called the home page. So in a book, you will what is the first page of your book? Content or topic, whatever it is, that is the first page of the book. As the same, every website has the home page, that is the first page. When you click on a website, you will get to open the website. So the screen which appears at the first is called as home page. Hyperlink. A hyperlink may be a text or a picture. If you click a hyperlink, it leads to the part of the web page to which it is linked. So in some pages, some website, you can able to see a blue color words which will be in a blue color, or pictures. So when you click on the blue color text or picture, it will direct you to another page. So it is a hyperlink. It contains information in some other link. See, we will see an example. This is our school website. Okay, this is gallery. So gallery is a web page. In gallery, there is a sports day tab. If we click on the sports day tab, you will get to open the sports day pictures of our school. So the sports day tab has a hyperlink. Can you get me, children? Yes, the sports day tab has the hyperlink which leads you to open the photos of our school. Next, uniform resource located, URL. Every website on the internet has a unique address. Unique means a different, a separate. The website or web page is called the Uniform Resource Locator or URL. So the address, so each and every one of you has a home, right? Your home has a separate address. Yes, so as the same, each website has a separate address. Only through the address you can able to open the website. So that is known as Universal Resource Locator, shortly known as URL. So you need to enter the URL here. Okay, then you see here jainvidyashram.edu.in. If you type this only, you can able to open the website of our school. So this is the URL of our school, Universal Resource Locator of our school, and here only you have to enter the address of the website. Web browser. So now I have the address of our school. I need to enter the address. Okay, web browser. Websites open in special software or program known as web browser. So if I want to enter the web address of our school, means I need a browser. Browser is a software or program where it allows you to open the particular website. A web browser lets you view all the picture, text, videos, etc. present in the website. So it is a software which helps you to open the websites. See, these are the few web browser: Internet Explorer 10, Chrome, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Opera. So these are the few examples of web browser. So kindly children, go through the video again. So thank you for listening. With this I am ending up the session. Thank you children.